Ah, the brown Zetla rolling paper. A true and trusted classic. But wait! There's more to it than meets the eye. Apart from being made from quality French thin and light paper for an even and slow burn and with 100% vegetable gum. It also comes in different sizes, so if you're in the mood for a long but slim joint, we got you covered. But length isn't everything. Sometimes it's about girth. That's what the Zetla white rolling paper is for. These both come with or without filters included. And sometimes length is everything. For this, there's the Zetla roll. It's 5 meters in length, so you get to decide how long the smoking experience will last. So much choice, and it's all up to you. Power to the people, we say.